We are going to make our own pico, aka fresh salsa. We need very few ingredients.
Give me a knife. Need a big one again?
All right. I have a purple onion. I have some cloves of garlic, and I have a bunch of tomatoes. I also have some lime juice. We have some, I do the jalapenos this way. Why? Because they're not so spicy. I love a jalapeno and I like it pickled. And some fresh cilantro. That's all you're, oh, sorry, my bad. Salt and pepper. This is all you're gonna need to make your own fresh salsa. Ready? May I move all your food? Okay. Just take the toasteds. Now you can put this up here and so that they could have little baby burritos.
Put
And
some of the
they could have their pico. All right. Nice sharp knife. People might think that I am odd about my tomatoes. I don't like the seeds. So whenever I'm going to do them, I'm always cutting them and I cut the seeds out. I don't like it. Okay. Then I do a little flip. Another little flip. Those big chunks of seeds come out. Okay. And another one right down the middle. Other people have their own ways of doing it. That's what I do. I cut it in a little bit. Pull that center piece out. And then you just use your thumb and all that comes out. And you're left with some nice hollowed out tomatoes. So that's what I'm going to do for my tomatoes right now. Do you want to go ahead and start making the sauce? So what we're going to do is, you know what it looks like when you go to the store and you buy the fresh salsa or the Pico de Gallo. I hate to say it because I don't want to say it incorrectly. Right? Just take it and you're just going to make little bits. Bits and bites. That doesn't look very good. Right? And that looks like good size, yeah? Oh. And then we'll just put it in the bowl. How about that?
Right.
So you can see it's just like you would, a fresh salsa.
Not so tiny.
Yeah. So you do that and I will work on the guts.
Yeah. I'll try my best not to stab you.
What's going to work?
Teamwork.
We find that we're having a lot of fun doing this stuff together in the kitchen.
Yeah, I like it.
We always would kind of divide and conquer and kind of have our little sweet spots, right? He likes to bake. I don't like baking.
Yeah, I don't think you'll probably bake with me. That's okay.
It's just something.
As long as you'll put up with me cooking, because I don't know a lot of stuff.
I love it. I think it's fun.
Oops. Didn't need that finger.
Oh no. Again, this is another one of those situations where you can go to the store and you can very easily buy it. They make fresh salsa. They sell it. But, I mean, you pick out your ingredients. You put what you want in it and it doesn't have the preservatives. Don't get me wrong. I love a salsa. But, you want an alternative. Yeah?
The
No?
fresh has a little bit different of a taste. It's nice.
It does. That's the thing. My idea was to try and provide items that you could whip up quick. You're having people coming over. Oh, shucks. Stop at the store and grab these 3 ingredients. Okay, that's easy, right?
Scooper?
Yeah. Okay, while you do that, I'm going to move on Next, I have a purple onion. Why purple? Because it'll be pretty. Are you all done?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So now we'll slice up our onion. Same stuff going in the same. All right. So what we're gonna do. Let's see what we got. And just, that looks about.
Yeah. Yep.
All
You
right.
don't
So,
do it.
yeah, I think we will. Okay. You're gonna set that there. Okay. Next, more paper towels. I'm gonna do a couple cloves of garlic. Oh, I'm sorry.
Sorry.
I'm gonna do, based off of that, I'm gonna do 4. You can see they're kind of small. Just mince it up. Nope. We minced up our own little.
Scraper.
Okay. Scraper.
Scraper.
You can see it ends up being about yay. So, like I said, that was 3 small and 1 medium. Okay. Put that in there. Okay. Now we're going to use my little pickled jalapenos. I don't want all the juice in there, so I'm going to put them on here first. Nice one.
What?
I'm trying to decide how much heat my husband can handle because, boy, that made my eyes water.
I can see it.
Remember, when you're using peppers, don't touch your face. Some people would say do gloves. They're pickled peppers. I'm not going to do that, but I'm going to just do a rough chop of them. Kind of try and make them maybe about the size of the onions. Little dogs in the background. I'm going to be honest. I think I'm going to just chop this up and stop here. We'll see. I want you to be able to eat it.
Yeah, but the rest of the family likes spicy.
Yeah, but we can add to it.
Okay.
All right. So you can see how many slices I did. What, about 9?
If that.
Or that's about 1/8 of a cup, I would say. And it did make my nose run. So we'll save these little guys here off to the side for right now. Then we're going to take some cilantro. I rinsed it off earlier. Yeah, that worked actually pretty good. Some of them, that smells so good. You either love cilantro or you don't, I think. And you're going to want a good amount of it. Like, I'm looking at my bunch over here thinking, most of this.
Well, that smells good.
Yeah, fresh.
Yeah.
Like outside.
Yeah.
And make sure you wash it good. Sometimes you can bite into grit. You need a chopper. Take it, get it in a bunch, as much as you can. Kind of like in a little ball. It makes it easier. You say do it with a lot of fresh herbs. My nose is still running from that jalapeno. But we're gonna
Smells really good. I'm ready.
Super secret. Couple shakes of pepper. I use coarse ground. Good pinch of the salt and a splash of lime juice. Just a little bit.
Some on the
A little bit on
counter
the counter.
shelves.
My friends, you just made fresh salsa. Look at how much you made. If you want to go and you buy the stuff at the store, you hope it's still fresh. You hope you know your ingredients. But there you are. 4 dips for you to serve at any party, and it didn't take hardly any time at all. Yeah. You might need to tweak your salt. You might need to add some pepper. Maybe you want it more spicy, so throw more jalapenos in. He wouldn't be able to eat it.
That's good.
Yay!